Let's get straight to your questions. This one comes in from Gaurav. Hi Gaurav, what's your question? How can we help you?
Yeah, hi, I'm Gaurav from Navi Mumbai. Actually, I'm looking for a ready-to-move-in option in Taloja, Phase 1, Navi Mumbai, and ready-to-move-in option in Rajnagar, Ghaziabad. I need two properties, one in Taloja Phase 1 and other one in Rajnagar Extension, Ghaziabad. I'm basically looking for both the options as 2 BHK.
All right, Gaurav is looking for a property in Taloja, Navi Mumbai. He has shortlisted Panchanand Heights by Panchanand Enterprises. He wants to know the future prospects of this market also.
Well, Taloja as a micro market is doing reasonably well. If you look at from an appreciation standpoint, it's appreciating by about 31% over the last 2.5 years or 12% on an annualized basis. The inventory overhang is also pretty safe. It's at 15 months. So I think the sales are pretty much okay. Weighted average price is 3650, which is not very high, although the project that you've shortlisted is slightly higher than the weighted average price of the market. It's 4300, but it's a good residential cum commercial development with total of 4 towers. You can definitely go ahead with this project. It's approved by all the major banks as well, and it's just 1.5 kilometers from Kharghar and the 210-acre central park of Kharghar. So the location is very good. It's located in Sector 9, only 300 meters away from the Taloja railway station as well. We've got 2 more recommendations for you. One is Amodini by Arihant Superstructures. This is at 4975. It's a standalone building of G plus 22 stories. Project is nearing completion. 90% of the construction work is done. All the plans are approved, and location advantage. This is only about 3 kilometers from the Kharghar, which is very well developed location of Navi Mumbai. Then we have Kamdhenu Aura by Kamdhenu Realties, 4,700 rupees a foot. It's a 12-story project. Project is approved from all the banks, located in Sector 4, Taloja Phase 2, and the presence of pharmaceutical and food product companies are a key growth driver for this micro market. Besides, located quite well to Kharghar, quite near to Kharghar as well.
All right, so Gaurav, that's a yes for your property, Panchanand Heights by Panchanand Enterprises in Taloja. You can expect the project to be delivered to you by this year, 2014. Also, we give a thumbs up to Taloja as a micro market. There are many options in the affordable housing space here, and also many employment opportunities here given the presence of large-scale industries. Also, the other big driver is the Metro Phase 1, which is under construction. And of course, as Samir said, proximity to Kharghar. So those are the 2 options that we're giving you. In addition, Amodini Arihant by Arihant Superstructures and Kamdhenu Aura by Kamdhenu Realties. Okay, next is an email, Yogesh by Yogesh Kotwani. He writes, I have a budget of 65 lakhs. I would like to buy something in Pune. This is for my end use or investment returns. Preferably in Pune, he would like something in Poonawale, and he's also shortlisted Pune will buy Farande spaces in Poonawale, Tathavade. 65 lakhs is his budget. Samir, how do you rate this property?
Well, coming to the micro market first, here the inventory overhang is about 21 months, so below the danger zone. Price appreciation has been about 12% on an annualized basis, and the mid segment today is touching about 4,800 rupees a square foot. This property is exactly in line with the weighted average price of the market, so it gets a thumbs up from our side. It's a part of an integrated township of 28 acres. Besides residential, there is a provision for a mall, school, hospital, and other recreational facilities within the complex. This is going to be developed over 16 towers, and Phase 1 will come up with 6 towers of G plus 16 stories. Construction has been started for Phase 1 and plinth work is going on, so it's going to take some time to get completed. It is just located 2 kilometers from the Mumbai-Pune highway, so location is also pretty good, and all approvals are in place and has been granted a 4-star green certificate by GRIHA. Then you have 2 more projects. There is ERA by Siddhashila Group, Poonawale. This is 4,500 rupees a square foot. Consists of 3 acres with 2 towers of G plus 15 story buildings. Key factor of the market is proximity to Hinjewadi ID Hub, which is about 10 kilometers, and Wakar and Baner are also well established micro markets which are close by. Then we have My Homes Poonawale. This is by Goyal Properties. This is at 4350, spread over 4.5 acres with 4 buildings, A, B, C and D. Builder is taking bookings right now for C and D. This is located in Wakad Annex, near to Lotus Business School and 2 kilometers from the Mumbai-Pune highway. Connectivity is very good, and it's 9 kilometers from the Chinchwad railway station and 6 kilometers from the Hinjewadi IT park.
Samir, Yogesh had also written to us asking that there is some concern regarding a proposed garbage depot. What has your team gathered on ground? Is this market livable?
Yeah, there is a garbage depot that has been sanctioned, but residents and farmers are protesting against it, and they've also gone to court, we are told. So there may be a possibility that the dump yard may not come.
Okay. All right. So that's the update on the garbage depot. Yogesh, so that's a yes to Puneville by Farande Spaces in Poonawale, giving you two more options in this market which we approve of. There's Aira by Siddhashila Group and My Homes by Goel Properties. All right, next Amit Nenani has this question for us. Hi Amit, how can we help you?
Hi ma'am, my query is like there is one project in Vasna, Ahmedabad, and that there's a project name called Rajeshya Rivanta, and they are charging me around like 3,000 square feet for basic amount, and total charge of the flat will come around like 3,400 square feet, including. So what's your good advice to go through this project for investment as well as for the residential purpose? The built-up is like 855 square feet and into 535 square feet, and my budget is like around 30 lakhs.
Okay, 30 lakhs. Amit, looking at Vasna in Ahmedabad, an affordable property, 30 lakhs, Rajya Shrivanta.
Vasna actually is a good strategic located micro market and has done exceptionally well compared to Ahmedabad's other micro markets in terms of price appreciation. Here the annualized price appreciation has been about 10%. We've got one more micro market for you, Vejalpur, which is 6%. The project that you shortlisted, you can easily go ahead with this project. The developer has a great track record, and the project is the apartment is available at 4,800 rupees a square foot on carpet area, which includes the wall area as well. So which works out to the same as what you're talking about with respect to super area pricing. Project will be ready by 2015. And if you look at the weighted average price of the market is at 3,750 rupees a square foot. So your project is below the weighted average price. And Vejalpur is another micro market which is even cheaper at 3,400 rupees a square foot, which is close by. Here the appreciation has not been that great compared to Vasna, which has been about 6% annualized. But we've still got one more project in Vasna for you to consider, which is even cheaper. This is Swaminarayan Park 2 by Dharamdev Infrastructure. This is at 3,200 rupees a square foot, available with the developer. This is comprising of 10 blocks with G+14 structures. Bank loan is available, and then we have Swarit by Bakeri Engineering. This is at 3,200 rupees a square foot. It's the last of the project of the large township called Bakeri City Phase 1. It's a low-rise development project with 5 stories only, and this is very close to Prahlad Nagar, which is the micro market we've been recommending for a long time, and 2.5 kilometers from Vejalpur railway station.
All right, so while we talk of Ahmedabad, there has been big news that came in this weekend. About a decade, 10 years after it was first proposed, the Ahmedabad Metro project finally received a big boost of revival. The centre has approved an investment of over 10,000 crores for the Ahmedabad Metro project. Now, phase 1 of the Metro project will cover over 35 kilometers across 2 corridors, and out of which the north-south corridor will go through Vasna to Motera Stadium. That's the micro market we were talking about, and another reason to give your project a thumbs up, Amit. So that's a yes for Rajya Shrivanta. Also, apart from Vasna, you can look at Vejalpur and the projects that we recommend: Swaminarayan Park 2 by Dharamdev Infrastructure and Swarit by Bakeri Engineering. Time for a quick breather on the show, but a lot more action lined up on the other side. We have the ultimate Hall of Fame of India's best performing property markets. And is the Okhla Bird Sanctuary issue now in its last leg? Industry experts give their take on the road ahead for buyers' investments in Noida.